Hello everyone. Today, we continue to talk about palm oil extraction. In Africa or Southeast Asia, investing in palm oil production projects is a very attractive thing for many bosses. But the thought of slow project progress and long installation period is a headache. Today, let's take a look at a compact palm oil pressing production line that requires no installation, allowing you to skip lengthy preparations and start production quickly. First, let's take a look at the overall structure of this small-scale production line. It consists of 3 frames, each only the size of a shipping container for easy transportation. The first frame is composed of a hot water tank and 3 sterilization tanks. The hot water tank can supply hot water and steam for the entire production. Its design, along with that of the sterilization tanks, allows direct burning of firewood or other biomass fuels underneath, eliminating the need for a steam boiler and reducing costs. The upper frame is equipped with an electric hoist to facilitate workers in installing hanging fruit cages. Workers place fruit clusters into the cages, which are then lifted into the sterilization tank for treatment. The second frame consists of a thresher and 2 oil presses. After sterilization, the fruit bunches will be lifted by workers again and put into the feeding port of the fruit thresher, which is a rotary drum design. During the rotation process, the fruit will loosen and fall into the conveyor below. And the empty fruit bunches will go out from the other end of the rotary drum, which can be collected by workers and burned. The fruit first enters the first oil press for preliminary crushing, and then enters the second oil press for pressing. The third frame consists of a sand settling tank, a rotary vibrating screen, a plate and frame filter, and a vacuum dehydration system. The palm oil squeezed out by the oil press contains heavy impurities, such as mud and sand, and pulp fibers. The sand settling tank removes the heavy impurities through sedimentation. The fine screen of the rotary vibrating screen filters out the suspended fibers. And the plate and frame filter performs fine filtration to obtain pure palm oil. However, the water content of the crude oil will affect the shelf life. The vacuum dehydration system will heat the crude oil in a vacuum state to evaporate the water to achieve the dehydration effect. And the dehydrated crude oil can be stored. If you need oil tanks, you need to design the matching products. The oil tanks need to be welded on site. Once your equipment arrives, you can put the production line into operation after simple pipe and power connection. That's all for today. Next time, we will introduce the palm pressing production line and see what the 1 to 2 tons per hour automated production line has.